Hey, what's up, guys? So we have Lather and Woods Barbershop sent today, and this was sent in by LP. I just scooped some out with my finger there, put it in our bowl, and we used our Omega 10049 or Pro 49. I'm sorry, 48, not 49. Badger brush, boar brush. You can see the lather there, very nice, very peaky, very nice lather. So let's get the face wet. Start. Shaving, this will be like a no frills shave. I need to get this stuff off. Yeah, it's been a little while since I've shaved. I think this is the sixth full day. Fifth full day. So yeah, it is what it is. All right, so the scent on this, it is a nice barbershop. This reminds me a lot of the barbershop from Ariana and Evans in their face spackle formulation. Face spackle barbershop definitely has this type of scent, or this type of scent has that, whatever, but they're definitely both very similar. So I don't know what it is about them, but yeah, they're both very, very close to the same scent. I do like them. I know that for me, they're not like a traditional barbershop type scent. I've said that in the past when I've used Ariana and Evans barbershop in the face spackle formula. But again, it's great performance. It's a great performing soap, and the scent is it's very good. It's just different than what I expect. That's all. So, in the razor we're going to use today, it'll be the Ming Shi or the Q Shave razor. Here, that's the Mercure Future clone, and I was told that the little extra lip on that side there, this one doesn't have it. The little extra lip there is for easy like access to pop it off. I mean, I don't have any issue anyway, but yeah. And we'll use, let's go with a Dorco today. One of our Dorco blades. Right there. All right. My wife is feeding the kid in there, and she's FaceTiming her parents. So I was like, I'll just go shave. So it's afternoon. Oh, well, it's evening. It's like 6:30 or so. We're gonna start this on 6. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up or not, but that is number 6 right there. So we have a lot of growth. So let's see. I need to get my hair cut. I need to go this week if I can. I've been watching Dennis the Menace. That's a good old show, you know? I haven't watched it in a very, very long time. But I am enjoying it. You know, it's a goofy old show, but it's quite funny. There's some like adult humor jokes in there as well. That's pretty funny. Which I didn't catch when I was a kid, of course. Yeah. I think, as I said in the other, the magnetic base and cap, that LP sent for me to use, the other Q Shave razor. I like that one better. I do think this one's a bit more adjustable, right? I think that one only went up to 5, or did that one go up higher? Maybe that one was more adjustable. I think this one has a lot more blade feel. If blade feel is something you like, the 6th setting on this, gunked up with hair. The 6th setting on this razor is going to be right up your alley. I'm not a huge fan of blade feel. I'll deal with it for situations like this where I have a lot of growth. But I'm not a huge fan. That is nice. I mean, you know, missed that little spot right there. We're going to go down to 3 on this razor, Ming Shi or Q Shave. In all honesty, there's like 4 different names to this specific razor, this Mercury Future clone. One's Ming Shi, one's Q Shave, and I've definitely, I said 4, it may only be 3, but I've definitely seen another manufacturer, off-name brand, maybe a Chinese brand, I don't know, maybe Taiwan, who knows. But definitely seen this exact razor under a different name. So nice lather from this Lather and Wood. It's a cream. I would say it's a cream. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's just a very, very soft crope breaching on cream. This scent, like I said, for me, I wouldn't put it in a barbershop class. What I would put in a barbershop class, or subclass, I guess, for soaps and scents, is Lather and Wood's Bay Rum scent. And I actually have a tub of that from LP. That, I could say, definitely smells like barbershop. A barbershop that I'm used to, at least. I guess every barbershop for everyone is different, but... Alrighty, so we're going down to setting 3, from 6 to 3. Let's go across the growth. Hope everyone's been doing well. Hope you're all healthy and safe. And happy. Happiness is a big thing too, you know? Health is number 1. I mean, we've always said that, right? Health is number 1. But happiness is a close second, and everybody's happiness looks different. Everybody's happiness comes in a different form. What's that saying? Different strokes for different folks. And I don't know if that's specifically pertaining to something or if that's just like a generic thing. We're going to use it as like a generic thing, you know. Different people like different things. But yeah, everybody has a different definition of happiness. Cool. So we're going to try to get the rest of the soap out of here. Out of the bowl. We have way more than needed, and I really didn't even use that much of that little sample. that LP scent. So I've got to get the video I made 5 or 6 days ago uploaded. We have internet backup now, so just have to get everything squared away, upload. I do want to do a video showing kind of like a little bit of damage around the area. I think that'll be interesting for people that, you know, maybe haven't seen that type of destruction. So we're going to move down to number 1 against the growth. We'll see how that goes. It's a very weird feeling. It's definitely cutting, but there's absolutely no blade feel. Like, I don't feel anything. Doesn't feel like it's doing anything. But then again, you could hear it, so. So if you hear it, it's definitely cutting. Couple touch-ups on the neck. What are we at, 12 minutes? Yeah. Like I said, I'm trying to make this kind of quick. I mean, I do have a lot to shave, but I don't have a lot to say. I've just been super busy with work and getting things done and finalizing some stuff for the business, and received some product today. It's supposed to come in 7 different shipments. Received 3 of the 7 shipments. I should receive another 3 either tomorrow or the following weekday, and then the following week, next week, I should receive the final either 1 or 2 shipments. Once all that's here, I have to basically like go through every single box that we're gonna be selling, and cut myself there or something. Something happened. Go through every single box, make sure everything is kosher up to standard, and then we ship it out. Alright guys, well, that's the shave. It's actually very nice. And I thought I'd be, I mean, my skin is irritated anyway. But normally, like when my hair grows out for a while, I get very itchy and it gets more irritated. But in all honesty, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I thought I'd have blood everywhere, but I don't really. Slight tingle where I cut myself there. Very nice though. Whew. All right. And something else sent by LP. I already have Stetson Original, but this is Stetson with Cooling Moisture Aftershave. Same scent, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that same Stetson, very like heavy, like a heavy leather, but not like old leather, kind of like new leather. Yeah, so just very, 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 very nice scent. Stetson does have a lot of alcohol as well. But like I said, the first time I used this, the other formulation, the Stetson original has a ton more alcohol than this one. This one, I don't even know that I feel alcohol. I don't feel a burn. I don't know if I had like a really, really good shave or if, I don't know, but I don't feel a burn at all. No burn, no tingling. My skin's definitely irritated after shaving it. And I still have that little weeper, but it'll be okay. Anyways, guys, that's the shave. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry to kind of make it like a very quick 16-minute video, but it is what it is. I don't know if this thing has ingredients. It has ingredients. I just can't see them because they're kind of... I'll have to look that up. I don't know if this has alcohol in it or not. If it does, it's very, very little because I don't feel much. I don't feel much from it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Have a good one, and I'll see you next shave, guys.